Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, January 16th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I live on the coast of Maine and we are getting hammered with snow and freezing rain and it's just a mess outside. So I've got the wood stove going here and we've just been inside marketing all day, and I thought I would do a video about the cost to join LiveGood and how ridiculously inexpensive it is to start your own home-based business. Now, my wife and I own a soap company called Main Island Soap, and it literally costs tens of thousands of dollars a year to run our business, okay? You have payroll, you have the cost of goods, you have utilities, you have marketing, and there's a whole array of other expenses that go into running a business. With LiveGood, you can start for $49.95 your first month, and it's only $9.95 each month after that to keep your membership. Alright, so if you take the $49.95 your first month and break it down, it's only $1.67 per day to start your home-based business. Each additional month is only 33 cents a day to run your home-based business. Okay? You get everything you need to be successful with this company. You're going to get a page that looks just like this. It has a 5-minute and 55-second video that goes into great detail about LiveGood and how everything works. You're going to get a corporate website. You're going to get a retail shop website. You're also going to get an email follow-up system. Okay? So when somebody opts into your page by putting their first, last name, and email and clicking reserve my position, the company is automatically going to follow up with them via email on your behalf. Okay? So everything you need comes with your $49.95. Alright? You're also going to get access to me if you use the link down below. And what I'm doing for all my personal referrals is I am putting your page that looks just like this into our team rotator, and then I'm driving traffic to it every day until you rank up to the bronze ranking. Okay? And that just means until you get 2 personal referrals, which opens up a whole bunch of different ways to get paid in our matrix. Alright, so I'm just going to show you that really quick. Now, there's 6 ways to earn with our company, and the number 1 way is the weekly fast start commissions. Alright, so every time you refer somebody, you're going to earn a $25 commission, which is paid out the following week. Alright, so you don't have to wait 30 days or 60 days to get your money. You're going to get paid the $25 commission the very next week after they join. Alright, so that's really cool to get started right there. And look, as I said, as a bronze member, you're going to earn 50% on all your personal referrals and 10% on all of their referrals. Okay? Then we have the matrix commissions. Now folks, this is where this company gets crazy, okay? Because I only have 11 personal referrals, and one of them is ranked to gold, another one who is bronze, and between the two, we have a team of close to 200 people in our matrix. Alright? And as an on-ranked person, you can come in here and just sign up. Wait for spillover to happen. Alright? It could take 6 months, it could take a year, it could take 3 years. I don't really know. All the disclaimers are down below in the description, by the way, too. Because I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with this. But I can guarantee that if you work hard and treat it like the real business that it is, that you will have success. Okay? But as an on-ranked person, so say you just came in, you paid your $49.95, you didn't do anything with LiveGood. You didn't buy the products, you just forgot about it. Okay? You will at some point start receiving spillover from everybody who is above you in the matrix. Alright? Because right now there's about 7,000 people who have joined our company, and the CEO and founder, Ben Glinsky, is predicting that by the end of this year there's going to be over 1 million members in this company. Alright? So the sooner you get into the matrix, the potential for you making more money is higher. Okay? But as an on-ranked person, you can come in here, you're going to get paid on 12 levels of the matrix, and once the matrix fills up, your earning potential would be $2,047.50 a month. But check this out. If you come in, refer 2 people, it could be a spouse, it could be a sibling, it could be an adult child, anybody that you know who's looking to get healthy or wealthy, you could share this with them. And once you have 2 personal referrals, you're going to rank up to bronze. That opens up the 13th level of the matrix. And once that matrix is filled, you're going to earn $4,095.50 per month. Alright? And then as you can see, as a diamond, you can earn $16,383.50 if all 15 levels of the matrix are filled. Alright? We already have people who are up in this, the platinum and the diamonds. Alright? It's crazy how fast this company is growing. And what's even crazier is the matching bonuses that you can get. All right, so it says, as huge as the fast start commissions and matrix bonuses are, our matching bonuses are even bigger. On top of the $20.47.50 or up to $16.383.50 that you can earn in your personal matrix, you will also match 50% of the matrix commissions on everyone you enroll, and a percentage of everyone those people enroll, 5 enrollment generations deep, regardless of where they fall in your matrix. So I'm ranked silver right now, so I get 50% matching bonuses on all of the personal enrolled people that I have, okay? All right, and then as a silver, I get 10% on my first generation and 10% on my second generation, okay? And then it just goes down from there. So you can see here, if you have 10 personally enrolled people who are each earning $6,000 per month in their matrix, you will match 50% of what they earn in the matrix. That means you will earn a $3,000 matching bonus on each of them every month for a total of $30,000 in commissions just on those 10 people alone. And that doesn't include what you will earn in your matrix, plus potentially hundreds or thousands of other people you could be matching in our other generations. We get paid on retail commissions. We have influencer bonuses. And then we have the diamond bonus pool once you reach the diamond level. So on top of the 6 ways that you can earn money, our products are absolutely amazing as well. And I'm just going to show you some of these really quick. All right, look at this CBD oil right here. All right, this is the highest quality full spectrum CBD oil on the market. You can get 750 milligrams. It comes in natural or peppermint flavors for $18 a bottle. $18 for a 1 ounce bottle. The 15 milligrams is $26 for a 1 ounce bottle. All right, you show me where you can get full spectrum, high quality CBD oil for these prices anywhere online. All right, it just doesn't exist. All right, so the products are awesome. I'm actually drinking the Super Reds right now, and I've been taking the organic coffee, the essential aminos, the Super Reds, and the Super Greens since December 28th. I'm losing weight. I'm feeling great. I'm super focused. I have tons of energy, and I'm just excited about this entire opportunity that we have here. But if you want to learn more about this, click on the link down below. You'll be taken over to my page that looks just like this, where you can watch the 5-minute, 55-second video, decide if it's something for you or not. If it is, put your first, last name, email, click reserve my position, and you'll get an email sent to you on my behalf from the company that will show you more information about this. All right. So again, you can't go anywhere else and start a business that has all of the stuff that comes with this, all the marketing materials and everything you need, for $1.67 a day, and then only 33 cents a day for all of the following months. All right. I mean, I know there's people out there that spend $5 or $6 a day just on coffee. You know, and then they go out and eat lunch and dinner and everything else. So this is the place to be, in my opinion, in 2023, folks. All right. If you have any questions, leave them down in the description box. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I really do appreciate it. All right, so that's it for this video. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.